Hi guys, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. We're here in Eddies Beach Resort, here in Siargao Island, Philippines. Okay. And the entire resort is very clean. Okay. And I guess the owner is a German. There's a German flag here. Okay. Our room is over there. Okay, so let's take a room tour. It's technically a beachfront accommodation. Okay. So our room has a balcony. And there's the beach. Okay. Wow. Our room has 2 beds. Okay. Here's the first bed and the second bed. Okay, 3 beds. Okay. So I guess there are 2 double beds and 1 single bed. And the room comes with an electric fan, an LCD TV, and there's a cabinet for clothes with hangers, and of course the room is air conditioned. Okay, the room is very clean. Okay, look at the tiles, look at the floor, it's very clean. And there's also a safe deposit box over there. Okay, there's the view from our room. Okay. So basic toiletries are included. Soap and shampoo. And there's a mini lamp there. Then let's check out the toilet and bath. Okay, wow. It's very clean. Okay, so the shower, there's a hot and cold shower. Okay, the toilet and bath is very clean. Okay. Then there's the toilet bowl. Okay, so here's our room here in Eddies Beach Resort, Siargao Island, Philippines. So I guess this is just 5 minutes away from the center in General Luna. Okay. So let's go outside our cottage. And take a look at the beachfront. Okay, so there's the beachfront of Eddies Beach Resort here in Siargao Island. So there's Jen enjoying the swing. Okay. So again, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. So I'm giving a huge discount if you book on my link in the description box below. If you're staying here in Siargao, I would also recommend Eddies Beach Resort. Thank you for watching and happy travels!